Arrange the following steps in correct order for a DHCP client to renew its IP lease with a DHCP server. A. DHCP client sends a DHCP request message. B. DHCP server acknowledges the renewal with a DHCP back message. C. DHCP client checks the local lease timer and initiates renewal. D. DHCP server updates its lease database. So the correct order is C, A, B, D. That means DHCP client checks the local lease timer and initiates renewal. Then DHCP client sends a DHCP request message. Then DHCP server acknowledges the renewal with a DHCP back message. And finally, DHCP server updates its lease database. Moving to the next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. In datagram networks, routers hold states information about connections. Statement 2. In virtual circuit network, each virtual circuit requires outer table space per connection. In the light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Option 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So the correct answer is fourth one. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. That means in datagram networks, routers hold the state information about connections is wrong. And in virtual circuit network, each virtual circuit requires outer table space per connection is correct. Third question. Match list 1 with list 2 according to input to the compiler phase that processes each. Choose the correct answers from options given below. I will read the list 1 and list 2. List 1, syntax tree, intermediate representation, token stream, character stream. And in list 2, code generator, semantic analyzer, lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer. And what is the question? Match list 1 and 2 according to the input to the compiler phase that process it. So the correct answer is second option, that is syntax tree matches to semantic analyzer, intermediate representation matches to code generator, token stream matches to syntax analyzer, and character stream matches to lexical analyzer. This is according to the input to the compiler phase. I will repeat. Syntax tree to the semantic analyzer, intermediate representation to the code generator, token stream to the syntax analyzer, and character stream to the lexical analyzer. The next question is, a multiplexer combines for 100 kbps channels using a time slot of 2 bits. What is the bit rate? The answer is 100 kbps. Here we apply a formula, x into 2 is equal to 100, then we will find the x value, that is 50. So the bit rate is 100 kbps. I will repeat the question. A multiplexer combines for 100 kbps channels using a time slot of 2 bits. What is the bit rate? Answer is 100 kbps. Fifth question. In bit stuffing, each frame begins and ends with a bit pattern in hexadecimal. So the bit pattern is 0x7e. In bit stuffing, each frame begins and ends with a bit pattern in hexadecimal. That is 0x7e is the correct answer. 0x7e. And the next question is sixth question. Which of the following is not a field in TCP header? In TCP header, there is many fields. So which one is not in the TCP header? The answer is fragmentation offset. Others are in TCP header. That means sequence number, checksum, window size are included in TCP header, and the fragmentation offset is not included in the TCP header.